Are you looking for a budget workout earphones? Then JBL Endurance Run might be for you. My name is Sher and this is the JBL Endurance Run review and unboxing. So JBL recently announced the JBL Endurance series, which are earphones designed for sports person. There are a total of 4 earphones in this series: the JBL Endurance Run, Endurance Dive, Jump and Sprint. And what I have here is the JBL Endurance Run. These are one of the most inexpensive one among all. So what's great about them is that they are sweat proof. That means you don't have to worry about water seeping inside and damaging them. So that was the summary of these earphones, but now let's take a look at what we get inside the box when you're buying one up. I think I don't have to mention how poor they are in packaging products, or am I so used to see Amazon packaging? But anyways, let's quickly unwrap these earphones. The main box looks fine. And as we are in the process of unboxing this, let me quickly remove this plastic sheet. Now it's good. So this is the retail packaging of the JBL Endurance Run earphones. On the front of the box you can see an image of the earphones itself. There is the logo of the JBL on the top, and here it says Endurance Run. Along with that it says flip hook, which means they have designed these earphones in a way that you can wear them either in behind the ear or in your style. Also these earphones are sweat proof, which is a must for sports oriented earphones. Here on the right side of the box we can see their tagline, which is dare to listen, and being honest, it's not a good tagline. But anyways, if these sounds good, doesn't matter. Moving to the back of the box, the first thing we see is another tagline, which is never hurt, never fall out. We'll test that out later if that's true or not, but other than that we can see the price of these earphones, which is 1,600 rupees or $20, and it retails around 1,300 rupees, which is roughly around $15-16. But if you're lucky enough, you can buy these earphones from the links down below in the description, and you might be able to get these earphones for just $12 or 1,000 rupees like I've got mine. On the bottom there are a couple of features listed here: hands-free calls, which is the included inline mic, magnetic buds, which are the magnetic earbuds, which is a must for a sports earphone, and flip hook technology. That's what all it says in the back of the box. And as we move forward to the other side of the box, it counts another feature, which is sweat proof. Now this is what most of the sports person expect from sports earphones. This makes the person don't have to worry about the water seeping inside the earphones and damaging them. Now just below that we can see what's included in the box, which is the earphones itself, some extra ear tips and manuals. It also says the frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and along with that it says 8.5mm, which is the size of the driver in the earphones itself. Now those were all the readings on the box. Now let's quickly unbox these earphones. But for today we will skip any of the magic tricks for this part, as the unboxing experience of these earphones is worth checking out. So to unbox this earphone, there is this little handle here which you can grab and pull up to open this box. And after opening the box, the first thing you notice is the earphone sitting nicely in the package. On the left side here are some more features about these earphones. JBL really tried to put as much feature as they can into these earphones. So here it says twist lock technology, flex soft, lightweight, flexible, secure fit, and on the right side of the box there are some more. Here it demonstrates how you can wear these earphones in these positions, and as these earphones also have the inline mic, you can input multiple commands to play, pause songs, change songs, and what's cool is that you can also hold it for 3 seconds for using Google Assistant or Siri. Enough reading of the box, now let's open this up. Let me grab my knife for a second. So first up here we see the earphones itself, which is looking very awesome, but as per Tech YouTube tradition, let's put this aside for a moment and take a look what else we get in the box. Now here we get some extra ear tips if you want to get precise fit, and other than that we get some user manual and quick start guide, and by now you might have guessed it what I'm going to do with them. So that was the unboxing of the JBL Endurance Run. Now let's see how it performs in the real world and see if it can be called the best workout earphones under $20 or 1,000 rupees. First of all, let's talk about the design of the JBL Endurance Run. JBL released their JBL Endurance series. These earphones are design oriented for sports activities like gym, workout, running, swimming, jumping, and other fitness activities. There are total 4 earphones in this series: the JBL Endurance Run, Endurance Sprint, Endurance Jump, and Endurance Dive. All these earphones share some common features, and all these earphones are waterproof except for the JBL Endurance Run, which is only sweat proof. So design-wise, JBL Endurance Run earbuds are designed very nicely. They are designed like a traditional workout earphones. The earbuds have a very sporty look and it comes in all sports color that you can think of. That is black, blue, neon green, teal and red that I have right here. There are tons of features on these earphones. First of all, as I mentioned earlier, these earbuds are sweat-proof, which means you can do all of your workout without worrying about water seeping into them. Another great feature these earphones have is the flip hook, which means the earphones are designed in a way that you can wear them in ear or behind the ear position, and this is so great to have. For general purpose, I wear these earphones in ear style, and when I'm crazy on my workouts, I go with the behind the ear style. And let me tell you guys, when you wear these earphones behind the ear style, it would be really hard to knock them off. And why it is hard to get them out is because of the twist lock technology. What does it mean by that? Is when you put these earbuds into your ears, you have to twist them a little bit, which makes a secure fit into your ears and it firmly sticks right there. And if you want to remove these earphones, all you have to do is undo the process. So it's a pretty good thing as you are not worried about them to come out easily. Also, these earbuds are magnetic, which is a great feature as this will help you to manage these earphones onto your neck when you're not using them. Now I know you are happy about the sweat proof and all this good stuff, but most of you might be concerned about the comfort level of these earbuds. So you would be happy to know that these earphones are not one of those earphones which hurt after a few couple of seconds, but the JBL Endurance Run are comfy earbuds and you can use them all day long without hurting your ears. People are able to use these earphones for more than 12 hours a day, although they might have some hearing issues in few more months. But anyways, the point here is that these earphones are comfortable enough that you can use them for longer periods of listening. Even if you bought the gym membership a couple of months ago and the only time you remember going to gym was taking the gym membership itself, and now you're looking for a new earphone saying that you need for sake of workout, then let me tell you guys, you can also use this earphone as a daily driver, and you can not only use these earphones for your workout only, but you can also use this earphone in your office, house, school, etc. Now workout earphones should be meant to last long. It shouldn't break easily in your first gym session. So let's talk about the build quality and durability of the JBL Endurance Run. So for the build quality of these earphones, then I have to say that they are made decent. I don't expect any earphones to last long for my calisthenic workout, but if you're looking for these earphones for your regular workout, gym, running, skipping, jumping, etc., then you should be fine with this. These will last quite a long time with you, and although I'm expecting a good life from the earbuds, but what I'm concerned about is the cable. Because these earphones are wired earphones, the cable is much more prone to break, but what I suggest you do, also check out the wireless earphones in this series as they are much more convenient to use. Now speaking of the cable connecting the two earbuds is of pretty durable quality and it's soft touch rubberized material cable. As like any other wired earphones, one end of the cable is holding the earbuds and on the other end there is 3.5mm gold plated jack which is used to connect the earphones to your media devices. Now there is also a housing which is holding the inline mic and a multifunction button which you can use to answer call, play, pause song and change song, and if you hold the button for 3 seconds then you can also use it for Google Assistant or Apple Siri. As there is only one button, which means you cannot turn the volume up or down from the earphones. But anyways, here is the quality of the inline mic. The inline mic is pretty decent. I think you will get away with it. Now when it comes to isolation and sound quality, which is the sale determining feature of any audio device, then I have to say that these earphones are awesome sounding earphones. What's great about them is that the earphones are very good in creating an isolation from the outdoor environment. The isolation is so good that you won't hardly able to listen to your own voice. Now as far as the sound quality goes, then I have to say that these earphones are great sounding earphones. The frequency response is great as these earphones have a frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz. They produce a very wide range of frequencies with a very rich low end and crystal clear high frequencies. These earphones shines on almost every genre of music. Everything is great about these earbuds, headphones, earphones, you can call them whatever you want, but what's great about them is the price. The JBL Endurance Run retails around 1,300 rupees or $20. But if you are subscribed to the channel and follow us on social media where I post the discount alert, you can also get these earphones under $15 or 1,000 rupees. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you won't miss that out. So that was today's video. You can check out the links down below in the description. You can also check out my review of the JBL Tune 205BD wireless earphones if you're looking for a wireless earphones in the top right corner in the info card. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You should do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.